math game video. This is a great domino sort. I got this from Nikki Newton. You can use any type of strategies, and they would sort the dominoes based on which strategy they would most likely use with each domino. Sorry. These are Berkeley Everett's math flips. He's got a lot of them, and they're free, and they go pretty much K to 5. I guess this one is showing you doubles plus 1. So it's how you would side A to solve side B, so kind of emphasizing the derived facts. And these are tiny polka dots, and this is by Ken Finkelstein, and you can do lots of stuff with these. You can do memory games and make 10, go fish, and other decomposing numbers games, war. Great resource. This is Kaboom. Kaboom, I think this is also from Nikki Newton. These are basic math facts that go in the cup, and the students, you color one side so that the students can't see which one they're drawing out, and they draw it out, and if they solve it, they get to keep it. And if they get a Kaboom card, there's usually about 5 per cup, and they have to put all of their popsicle sticks that they have back in the container, and the game ends when there's no longer any popsicle sticks in the container, so whoever has the most. This is something called left, center, right, and I got this from Annalisa Record. What happens is you roll a dice, and you can't see it here, but it says LCR, and that's left, center, right, and so you pass one of your equations or whatever you're solving here to the person on the left if you roll if you roll an L, and that person has to solve it, and if they solve it, they get to keep it, but if they can't solve it, they would just pass it to the person. I guess this is right, but okay, let's say you rolled it right. They would pass it to the next person to solve, and they would try to solve it as well. And then the next person would roll the dice, and it would be the same thing. So everybody has a chance to solve them, and it's really fun, and the students really enjoy it. This is another domino sort, kind of hard to see, but there's different strategies up here, like make 10, pretend to 10, and sort of usually have an other column and count on column, and you could do this for any operation. This is Kakuma, sorry, from Greg Tang. Greg Tang has tons of games on his website. This is a really fun one. I think it's like Sudoku, where you're solving for two numbers that make a third number, and then once you solve that, then you're going to use all the ones that the sums from all of these in the middle, and you're going to get like a final answer in the middle, and the kids really love that kind of puzzle. This is Race to 10, and this is Math Recovery does a lot of Race to 10. And in Race to 10, I can't really see it here, but this says 5. This is Race to 10, but it could be Race to 20. And you use a dice, and you put whatever numbers that you want to use, whatever range you want to use. So if you're going to 10, you would just do the range 1 to 5. And then if the students roll the number that it would take for them to get 10, they get to advance to another square. So this person would be getting to advance when the die gets rolled as a 5. Oh, sorry, the dies are 1 to 6. I should have just said 1 to 5. And this person would advance when the die is rolled to a 3, because 7 and 3 make 10. And you can do it. You can change all the numbers on the dice. You can go as high as you want, and you could do any kind of sums that you want. Open Middle Problems by Robert Kaplinski are amazing.